So we're down here in Camberwell in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all the brickwork back to its natural colour. Going to just go for a mild clean with a doff machine on this property. So I'm going to be bringing back the real natural colours of the brick. So like I say, we'll brick clean all of this. Once it's all been brick cleaned, take out all of this old mortar, as you can see, just falling out now. So we'll cut all of the old pointing out, cut out and replace any damaged bricks where needed. Then we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. As you can see, the original lime mortar still there, so that'll all go back in a nice natural lime mortar. We're going to be tuck pointing all of the arches on the front of the property, so they're going to look really nice and set it all off. As you can see, some cracked bricks here and there to be replaced, so we'll cut all of the cracked bricks out, replace all of the cracked and damaged bricks as well. Up on the top elevation, as you can see, a lot of it's all been repointed in sand and cement in the past, so we'll get all of that out. Not doing the building any good, but as you can see, really needs doing now. It's not been touched in a long time. As you can see, it's literally just falling out. So yeah, we're going to totally transform the look of this. Then we'll repaint all of the parapet and the cornice. Might be some render work to be done up on there. We're going to check all of that this morning, see if any work on that needs done. But yeah, nice little project, this one. I think this is the 5th house we've done on this road now. I think I've done 4 in the last couple of years. So as you can see, I'll show you the property that last one we've done earlier, or I think it was about this earlier on in this year, start of this year we've done this one. So I'll just show you that one we've done further down, a few doors down here, which was this one here, and we've done another 3 or 4 down there. So this is the one we've done earlier on in the year. So as you can see, looks really nice still. We brick cleaned it all, repointed it all, penny roll finish and a flush finish decoration to all of the stonework as well. So we'll get cracking with this one and show you some more progress a bit later on today. Thank you very much.